How to turn on comments on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, go to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar and type YouTube Studio. Now tap on YouTube Studio and install this application. After installing, simply tap on Open. Then tap on Continue at the bottom menu. Now select the video. Now simply scroll down. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top menu. Now tap on Audience. Now select No. Now simply go back. Tap on More Options. Now tap on Comments. Now turn on the comment. Now simply go back. Again go back and click on Save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.